pork belly burnt ends, meat candy. You know you're gonna love it. So as I said, we're doing some pork belly burnt end. It's a rainy, messy day out in Southern California today. So we are not gonna do a lot of time, spend a lot of time out there. I'm not gonna show you how I set up the pit barrel. It's too loud, too wet, too noisy outside. So you're just gonna have to take my word for it. If it lightens up, I'll bring you outside so you can see the cook a little bit. But for the most part, it's gonna be limited outside engagement, all right? So come on back, I'll show you how we prepped this. We'll take you back to last night and get you back to today, get it set up, we'll get it on the pit barrel, and then we'll take you through the motions of making it pig candy or pork belly burnt ends. Love it. Ready to do the dang thing. Just cut them in little 1-inch, maybe 1.5 inches, whatever. These are gonna these will definitely shrink up as we cook them, but you know, so don't worry about cutting them a little too big. All right, I'm gonna cut up the rest of these, and then we'll get them seasoned up. All right, come on back. All right, we got all our pork belly cut up, chopped up. All right, guys, time to season these bad boys up. We're gonna do a liberal amount of the seasoning on here. We want it covered all the way around. Okay. All right, mix it up. Sit in the fridge overnight. All right, see you tomorrow. All right, guys, we got our pork belly getting ready to go. It's been sitting out for a little bit, getting a little of that chill off, but we're about ready to get it on the pit barrel. All right, come on back. All right, guys, it's loud out here. It's raining like crazy. We're gonna take these off. I'm gonna temp them real quick. I'm gonna find like the biggest one. These have got to be close to like 190 or so. Yeah, these are definitely ready for the braise. All right, guys, we're back. We got these off the smoker. They are just little bites of heaven. They're cooked a little bit longer than I had wanted them to, but it's all good in the hood. Get some honey. Get that nice sweetness in there. We're making pig candy, by the way. So you need sweetness on your candy. Oh, yeah. All right, we're gonna add some brown sugar. Just kinda wanna cover up the tops. No big deal. All right, we're gonna add little Martinelli's, the good stuff. All right, about that much. Get a little of that fake butter. Oh yeah. You know it's good if it makes that noise. Last thing, we're gonna add a little barbecue sauce. This is a little Fat Boy all natural barbecue. I'll leave the link below so you can check it out. It's a little chipotle. It's a little heat, but not bad. We're gonna take our gloved hand, get all this kind of mixed in. Cover it with tin foil. Put this back on the pit barrel for another hour or so. Take the lid off, or take the tin foil off the top, and then let it just kind of crust up on top, and we'll be good to go. All right, come on. All right, guys, it's still loud out here. Sorry, it's been raining like crazy. All right, we're gonna take the tin foil off, mix them up a little bit. Woo! Look at that. Oh, don't that look luscious? Oh, that looks so good. All right, let's get these mixed around a little bit. All right, we're gonna let those crisp up a little bit. Come on back. All right, guys, we're back. We are finally done with these beautiful pork belly burnt ends. All right, these look awesome. They smell awesome. and I had one already. They are awesome. Go figure. I mean, come on. That looks pretty, right? All right. I mean, I'm sure it's what made you click on this to get onto this, to get to this. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's try one of these bad boys. Little meaty chunks of goodness right here. Oh. Oh. So soft, so tender. I know people use melt in your mouth way too much, but oh man, that's good. Give me a moment, I need another bite. I wish. No, I was gonna say I wish you could experience with this. I wish you could experience this with me, but I don't. These are all mine. I don't want to share. But since I showed you how to make this, make your own. Don't share with anybody. Enjoy this. All right. All right, guys. That's it. Thanks for stopping by. This was a good one. I'm excited about this one.